Hello everyone, I'm Anshika, and today in this video we'll be looking on how we can utilize or actually activate our free credits that are available to us on the Google Cloud platform. So let's start this by typing in Google Cloud, and if you have already a Google account, which you will have, you can directly sign in, and or if you don't, then you can make a new Google ID and then you can log in into the Google Cloud. After that, you will be at this page, and here I have logged in with my friend's ID. Now you will see this console on the top right. So click this. Over here on this console platform, you are going to see that it is asking me my country. So I am typing it here and agree to the terms of service, agree and continue. After that, I'll be redirected to this page, and it says that try Google Cloud with $300 in free credits. Means we are going to receive $300 worth of credits to us in free. So let's, and it is accessible to Google. We will have access to Google Cloud products and its services, and it will be available to us for 90 days, that is almost 3 months, and no billing during the trial. So after that, you will be charged after the 90 days. So for 90 days it is free, so you can utilize it. So first we'll over here click on start free on the top right corner, and over here it's getting country and agree and continue. Over here it says $300 free credit and over the 90 days. Now I have to add my contact information and my address. So for that, I'll pause this video and just type in the payment method and the information, and then we'll click on start free. So once when you have enabled the auto pay or given your uh, credit or debit card details, and after that you will see that this will take some time to get verified, and then so I am going switching to another account on which I have already done this. So over here we are going to go to our um, the first page, and over here we have a billing option, as you can see, or in the left hamburger we have our billing. We click on that, and after that we are going to see when we come down that there is credits under cost optimization. We have the credits, and then you should be able to see that your free trial has credits that are remaining 100%, and their value is given in rupees, and you will have their start and end date. So it's valid till February 28th, as I did it on November 28th, so roughly 90 days. And then you can just use your credits that are available to you on this Google Cloud console for building apps or integrating APIs into your running, for example, apps or any websites that you are building. Okay, so this is this. And then there is another thing that you can see, that overview of your, this can be that this account needs to be verified. So yeah, and here is our free trial credit that is given, and 60 days are remaining because 30 uh 30 days have already passed for me. So yeah, if you are currently here on this stage and you have already turned on the auto pay, and then a sum of 2 rupees will be deducted and then also refunded to your account, then you can, after enabling the auto pay, you will be able to see that your credits are reflecting in your account. Okay, So, yeah, this was all. Thank you so much.